3D printing is our exciting new course, giving you a complete introduction of how to get started with the amazing process of 3D printing and 3D modelling. Start the week by building your very own printer from a kit. It's not easy, but our expert tutors will be there to help you every step of the way. Whilst you build your printer, learn about how all the different parts work and fit together, so you will be able to modify and improve the printer yourself at home. Once you're finished, learn how to set up and calibrate your printer, and how to fix common problems to give you all the skills you need to maintain, repair and upgrade it yourself. Get started quickly with some test prints by learning how to download open source models from the internet. You can even use the printer to create upgrades for itself. Next, move on to learning 3D design using Autodesk Fusion 360, professional 3D modelling software used to make everything from plastic bottles to cars and aerospace parts. It is free for educational use, so you can continue designing at home. Build your skills using a variety of fun projects including customizable dice, name tags, lampshades and many more. Just like all TechCamp courses, take your printer and all of your projects home at the end of the week to continue designing, building and creating. The only limit is your imagination.